Rationalizing continued. The root is the root 7. If you multiply this by 3 root 7, it's still going to work, but really all you need to multiply by is the radical, the root 7. So I'll do it the simpler way. Upstairs we get 7 root 7. Downstairs we get 3 times 7. Now, you can go 3 times 7 is 21, but we might as well just cancel these 7s as long as they're right there. That's a nice piece of luck. We should take advantage. And so this answer ends up being root 7 divided by 3. Root 18 over 5. You can think of this as root 18 divided by root 5. In fact, that's normally how I prefer to write them, 2 separate roots. And now to rationalize it, of course, we multiply by root 5 on the bottom and up top. That gives us root 90 over 5. But root 90 is root 9 root 10. And so when this is all the way cleaned up, we get 3 root 10 over 5. Last one, multiply by root 72, top and bottom. And what do you get? 3 root 720, 864, I believe it is. I'm going to check that. 12 times 72, yes, 864. And downstairs, root 72 times root 72 is simply 72. Now, we can reduce this. 3 over 72 is 1 over 24. Root 864. The real question is, can we reduce this thing? Is it divisible by 4? Yeah, it is. I'm just going to get greedy and see if I can come up with a bigger one. Is 864 divisible by 9? Yes, it is. Can I go even bigger? Is 864 divisible by 16? Yes, it is. This thing divides by everything. Is it 25? Won't go, clearly. 36? Yes, 36 goes into it 24 times. I have a hunch. Ah, yes. 864 is divisible by 144, which is 12 squared. I think that's the quickest way to chop this thing down. We have 1/24 root 144 root 6. If you don't come up with this, it's perfectly okay to factor a 4 out of this, and then factor out another 4, and then factor out a 9, and grind it down that way. But because I'm hurting for space, I'm going to use this bigger number just to show you how that can be done. So just because you found a perfect square that divides in, you don't have to just settle for that. You can, if you want, press on down the list and try to find something bigger. And if you do find a big one, like this 144, it can pay off handsomely in saved time. Oops, I'm sorry, that's 24 I should be writing there. The square root of 144 is 12, and then we have our root 6. So this becomes 12 over 24 root 6, which of course is just 1/2 root 6. Or if you wanted to write root 6 over 2, that would be fine as well.